want you to come over. I wish that you would come and give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this.
Out here in lovely Miami Beach, right? In an undisclosed location, all right? We got some lovely, lovely fine things out here, all right? We're going to introduce them one by one. Let me come over here. How you doing, sweetheart?
Hi, I'm Selena Chitam from Colombia.
Okay, Colombia, all right? Colombia, okay, all right, all right. How you doing?
Hi, Sadie Martinez from Dominican Republic.
Okay, on the DI, what is it, Santiago? What is it?
Santo Domingo.
Santo Domingo, the main part? I'm saying, I know a little bit. yeah. Okay, who do we have
Don't
here?
make me go next. Anita from Seattle.
All right, Anita Applebums is what I call her. Okay, all right, but don't ask me why. All right. Oh, sorry.
No, not you.
Oh, you in the shot. Anita, and then you are?
Sierra from Florida.
Okay, so she from the home team. She around here, all right? So if you act up, she knows some people she can call, right? Sierra, and then...
I'm Trey.
And then we have the lovely...
Hi, I'm Jaina. I live in Jersey, and I am from Uruguay.
Okay, I don't know nothing about Uruguay, so I can't make a joke about it. All right, it's South America, right?
Yes.
Yeah, she's from down south.
It's like saying you're from Argentina.
Okay, all right, sweet. Anyways, so you guys, we got some lovely models out here. We make some great content. Shout out to T-Mid for helping put this together. And yeah, what do you want to do next?
Let's get the shot and let's get the content.
I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing.
So I'm gonna have you come out just a little bit. Actually, come up just a little, about right there, and then come over just a little bit. I'm gonna have you come right here. Okay. Maybe. That's perfect. What I'm doing now? Put your foot down. Right there. Right there. Yeah, that's perfect. Actually, you get a little time. Hold that.
I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this.
All right, check this out, folks. We are reporting here live on location in beautiful South Beach, Miami, Florida, at the T-Bid and Photo Walk. So check this out, right? We started this thing early in the morning, 7:30, because we wanted to get that good sunrise, that good natural light, right? Because we figured it might be busy tonight. So, you know, we're here now, and we have more models than expected. So you guys, we always say it's gonna be a certain amount of models, but then more show up, and then we have even more fun, all right? So I'm sorry if you missed out, if you didn't get a chance to, if whatever situation happened and you couldn't come out, but trust me, this is gonna happen again. You think so?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, bet.
Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting.
Do we got Nikon gang right there?
Well, no, he's something.
Oh, son. Oh, man. Oh. Yeah, the battle right there.
I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, call me a fan. I'm living, give me your hand. I'm in it, yeah. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do.
Fire, fire.
We've been making magic, and sometimes I get nervous, but too good to believe. I don't know how it happened, but baby, I'm ecstatic that you're sticking with me. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should write.
What you got right there? You got some fire? You got some fire? Oh yeah.
Good, excellent, perfecto, perfecto, good, love that, excellent, yes, working it.
I wanna be with you, if that's the last thing that I could do.
I am from Uruguay, and my Instagram is Jayna Silveira. That's GEYNA SILVEIRA.
You just from there walk like halfway between me and you, and then stop. Yeah, and then I'll go toward you and then around. All right, ready?
I'm gonna put on my jeans. Okay.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, go.
Come and show it. Tell me what you feel in your heart and your soul. There's nothing I would take for granted. With me, we'll make it through. Takes two hearts to fix heartbreak. We grew apart, I made a mistake, but I'll try to make it up to you, my darling.
Anita here from Seattle. We just wrapped up Miami Week photo walk. I had such a great time. If you want to find me, I'm at Fashion by Anita.
I'm Selena Chitan. I'm from Colombia, but I currently live in New York.
Hey, I'm from Delaware. My name is Devin. Love the shots, love the footage, love the scenery. Everything was nice. Learned a lot from two of the best. Definitely down for the next one.